Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking off the battery of a 2007 Toyota Avalon, and in the middle right here, that's the part that holds down the battery, and that's actually a 10mm bolt as well. I'm using a 10mm wrench. You could use a 10mm socket as well to take off the bolt. This is the positive side I'm actually taking off. I had already taken off the negative side as well. It's pretty easy and simple, not that bad at all. I mean, I bought this battery at Walmart and it's not that great of a battery, but I mean, if you're on a budget, you might as well just go there, as long as you're not running like a 1000 watt amp and a subwoofer with it. So this is just basic right here. As you can see, I'm taking off the bolt off of the positive side. The battery was like 50 something bucks, which is not bad at all. It's not the great battery, it's not the best battery. The cranking amp was only like I think it was like 580 something. I can't really remember unless I look at the battery. But it's not bad. So I'm just showing you a quick tutorial how to replace your battery for your Toyota Avalon. Once again, this is a 2007. I hope you guys having a blessed day today, Sunday. You know, I had to do like a voiceover on it. You probably might hear some sounds in the background. I didn't really talk in this tutorial. It was real hot out there. You know how it is here in Florida. The weather switched up when it wants to. But it's basically real quick and easy. I didn't really waste no time. Like I really did not. So this is the old battery. There you go. I took off the positive side and I edited. I already put in the other one. As you can see, I just needed to tighten up the positive side right there. Yeah, this is the EverStart. They also have one that called Value Power, which is both of them is the same battery. I just don't know what's up with the name. But it's a 12-volt battery, as you can see. It's a 24. This is a size 24 if you needed the size for your Toyota Avalon. And I think this one runs from 2006 to 2011. I don't know about the 12. I haven't seen on the hood of the 2012, so I'm not sure. But it should work. It should be the same size from 2006 to 2011. Same body style, everything. The Limited, the XL, all of them is the same body size, style. Here I am, tighten up the battery, tighten up the terminal. I did not, as you guys can see, I did not tighten up the holder, that part that hold down the battery in the middle. I only took it off because I had wanted to do this real fast and easy, and you wouldn't have no problem if you keep it loose. I mean, it's just harder to, like, when you got to replace your battery and when you're in a rush. So I kept mine off in the middle. I just left it just like that. So I didn't really let it hold down my battery, because I mean the battery is already heavy. The terminal is already tightened down, so it wasn't no point of tightening it back up, giving me a headache. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this quick tutorial. Hope it helps you guys. That was fast and easy. You know what I'm talking about. Have a blessed day, guys. Snipe Random channel. Peace out. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye bye.